Hi, this is Dr. Nick, and I'm the Incrementalist. I focus on technology for improving our healthcare. And I'm here in Lisbon, Portugal, talking at the Osteology Foundation, talking to them about virtual reality and augmented reality. And as I prefer to call it, mixed reality. What is virtual reality? Well, that's the immersive experience that some of you look at and say, well, that's just gaming. It's not going to impact my world. It's just something that's for play. And I would tell you that that's the same thing that people said about the television. They said it about the telephone. They said it about the home computer. They even said something along those lines about that for the stethoscope. But your reality will be a mixed reality. And whilst you might not be interested in the gaming experience, that virtual exposure and the insertion into this world is one of the ways that we're gaining experience. And if you think that that's not relevant to you, I would just strongly advise you to at least try it, experience it. We've solved some of the challenging problems of nausea that people are experiencing because it's so realistic. And we've started to create technology that gives you this real experience so that your eye focuses on something and it gives you the resolution so that it's as if you're standing there. I had this experience with a virtual setup standing in the air traffic control center in the Middle East, and I was able to look down. It was extraordinary. But mixed reality is really where the changes are going to come in healthcare, and I think you'll see this from a standpoint of the explosion in training experiences. Imagine this for students. We're no longer going to expose them to training that's on patients. They'll get some opportunities to try it in this very realistic environment. We can start to include information so that you can incorporate CTs, MRIs, overlay that information. I think you're going to see that this is really this extraordinary change to our world. And what it does is it takes a normal person and provides them with extra capabilities and skills, just like Iron Man. And quite frankly, who doesn't want to be Iron Man? I know I do. I'd love to put that suit on and fly around. I think we're going to see the same thing with mixed reality. And that's what I'm talking about here at this event. I'm excited to share this with a range of clinical professionals and explain to them why this is no longer an option. For me, the train of augmented mixed reality has left the station. And if you're not on board, you're watching that train leave the station. This is Dr. Nick, and I'm the Incrementalist. I focus on better technology for improving healthcare. If you like this video, if I could ask a favor, please like it in the section below. If you would consider sponsoring more educational videos like this, I'd appreciate it. Reach out to me directly. Otherwise, you can find out more information at my website, incrementalhealthcare.com.